Imagine starting today with $0, zero connections, and zero experience, and in just a few years, building real wealth that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Sounds impossible? It is not. Millions of people around the world are doing it right now, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build wealth from scratch, step by step, so you can take control of your financial future no matter where you live. By the end of this video, you will have a complete roadmap for creating multiple income streams, saving and investing wisely, leveraging digital assets, and developing the systems that allow wealth to grow automatically. This is the same approach that some of the world's wealthiest individuals and ordinary people with no starting capital use to achieve financial independence. If you follow these strategies carefully and consistently, your financial life will change forever. We will explore not just the methods, but the mindset, the habits, and the global strategies that separate those who remain broke from those who achieve financial freedom. Whether you live in Ghana, the United States, India, Brazil, or anywhere in the world, these principles apply equally. You don't need to be born rich or have connections in high places. All it takes is clarity, action, and persistence. Number 1, mindset shift. The first step to building wealth is your mindset. The reason most people struggle financially is not because they don't work hard, but because they believe money is only earned by working long hours. If you hold this belief, you will remain trapped in the cycle of trading time for money. Real wealth is built by creating assets that generate income, not by spending every hour working for someone else. Think of money like a seed. If you plant it, water it, nurture it, and give it sunlight, it will grow into a tree. If you ignore it or spend it carelessly, it disappears, leaving nothing behind. Knowledge compounds faster than money in the early stages, so your first priority is education. Read books, follow financial experts, study investing, and understand how money works. Knowledge about how money flows, how markets operate, and how to leverage opportunities will give you the foundation to grow wealth from nothing. Global examples illustrate this point clearly. Warren Buffett started investing as a child, saving and investing pennies until he became one of the richest people in the world. Jack Ma started Alibaba with nothing but an idea and a vision, building it into one of the largest tech companies globally. Elon Musk started with minimal money and built companies that now impact millions of lives worldwide. Millions of ordinary people worldwide are creating wealth by leveraging online opportunities such as freelancing, digital content creation, and small businesses. These stories prove that financial success is not about luck. It is about the right mindset and consistent action. Shifting your mindset from scarcity to abundance is crucial. Stop thinking about how much money you don't have and start thinking about the opportunities in front of you. Every challenge can become a wealth-building opportunity if approached strategically. Begin seeing money not just as cash to spend but as a tool to generate more income, invest, and build freedom. It is also important to understand that wealth is not just about money. Wealth includes time, freedom, health, and relationships. A wealthy mindset prioritizes creating value, helping others, and long-term thinking. If you can adopt a mindset where every dollar you save or invest is a step toward freedom, you are already ahead of 90% of people. Number 2, saving and budgeting. Even if you have very little money, you can start building wealth today. Saving and budgeting are the foundation of financial growth, and they determine how quickly you can begin investing and creating income streams. The first step is tracking every penny you earn and spend. This may sound tedious, but knowing exactly where your money goes is critical. You can use apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook. Awareness is the first step toward control. Many people fail to save because they don't know where their money is disappearing. Next, save aggressively. Aim to save at least 20% of every amount you earn. Even if you start small, consistency is more important than size. If you earn $10, save $2. If you earn $100, save $20. Over time, this habit compounds, and your savings become a powerful tool for investment. Avoid debt traps. High-interest debt is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. Credit card debt, payday loans, and other high-interest obligations can destroy your ability to save and invest. Pay off these debts first before considering investing. Eliminating debt not only frees up money but also reduces stress and allows you to think clearly about opportunities. You should also develop a simple monthly budget. Allocate money for necessities, savings, investments, and personal growth. A budget is not restrictive. It is a roadmap that ensures your money is aligned with your wealth-building goals. Treat your budget like a business plan for your personal finances. Wealth is built by consistently saving and directing your money toward growth opportunities. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound. For example, if you start saving $50 a week in your 20s, with proper investments, that small habit can turn into a six-figure portfolio by your 40s. Part 3. Create multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Job loss, market changes, or unexpected expenses can destroy your financial stability. To build lasting wealth, you need multiple streams of income. Active income is the money you earn through direct work, such as your job, freelancing, consulting, or teaching skills online. Passive income is money that flows to you with minimal ongoing effort, such as investments, digital products, affiliate marketing, and content creation. For example, a single video you post on YouTube today could continue earning money for years if it remains relevant and searchable. Similarly, a small investment in stocks or ETFs may grow exponentially over time. Combining active and passive income streams accelerates wealth growth and allows you to take calculated risks without jeopardizing your financial stability. Focus on building at least 3 streams of income as you start. Each new income source provides security, resilience, and growth. The wealthy don't rely on one paycheck. They diversify. You can start small and scale gradually, freelancing a few hours a week, creating a digital product, and investing small amounts are practical steps anyone can implement. Side hustles are also key. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Shopify allow you to sell skills and products globally. Even small gigs, when combined and scaled, can create meaningful income streams. Over time, these small streams can merge into substantial wealth. The combination of active, passive, and digital income is the formula most millionaires use today. Number 4. Investing wisely. Let money work for you. Once you have some savings, investing becomes the key to turning money into long-term wealth. Many people think investing is only for the rich, but the truth is, the earlier you start, even with small amounts, the bigger your advantage thanks to compounding. Start with understanding risk. Investments can be categorized as low, medium, or high risk. Low-risk investments like index funds, ETFs, or fixed deposits may not offer explosive growth, but they are safe and perfect for beginners. Medium-risk investments include individual stocks, real estate, and small businesses. They can offer higher returns but require research, patience, and discipline. High-risk investments include cryptocurrencies, startups, and speculative ventures. These can yield high rewards but can also wipe out money quickly if approached without knowledge. Key principles for smart investing. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. This principle protects your financial foundation. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one stock, business, or asset class. Spread risk across multiple areas to avoid total loss. Learn before you invest. Knowledge is your best hedge. Understand how markets work, how to read financial statements, and how to identify trends. Think long-term. Short-term speculation is risky. Wealth is built over years, not days. For example, someone starts investing $100 a month in an index fund at age 25. By age 45, that small consistent investment, assuming a 10% annual return, could grow to over $60,000 to $70,000. Now imagine doubling or tripling contributions over time. Compounding is one of the most powerful forces in wealth creation. Practical tips for beginners. Use automated investment platforms to remove human error and ensure consistency. Start with low-cost ETFs or index funds before moving into individual stocks. Track your portfolio monthly but avoid panic selling during short-term drops. Consider investing in yourself. Courses, skills, and certifications can have higher returns than financial assets. Remember, investing is not about luck, it's about discipline, patience, and informed decisions. Number 5. Leverage content and digital assets. Scale without limits. One of the fastest ways to build wealth today is through digital content. Videos, blogs, social media posts, podcasts, and online courses are digital assets that can earn income indefinitely. Why content works, unlike a paycheck, which stops when you stop working. Digital content continues generating revenue long after it's created. A single video, article, or course can earn money for years if it provides value and reaches the right audience. Global examples. A YouTube channel focused on personal finance can reach viewers in every country. Each view, ad click, or affiliate sale generates income. An online course teaching Excel, coding, or even local culinary skills can sell worldwide. A blog with valuable tips can attract sponsorships, ad revenue, and affiliate marketing opportunities. How to start. Identify your niche. Focus on areas you understand or are willing to research deeply. Popular niches include finance, health, tech, lifestyle, and education. Create content consistently. Posting once is not enough. Build a library of content that continues to attract viewers over time. Provide actionable value. Teach skills, solve problems, or offer entertainment that people are willing to pay for or follow. Monetize strategically. Use ads, affiliate links, paid courses, merchandise, or consulting services. Scaling content globally. Add subtitles for non-English speakers. Use SEO strategies so your content is discoverable. Repurpose content across platforms, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Collaborate with influencers or creators in other countries to expand reach. Content creation also builds personal authority. When people trust your expertise, opportunities open for consulting, brand partnerships, and even investments. Unlike traditional jobs, your digital assets compound in value over time, becoming a cornerstone of financial independence. Number 6. Systems and automation. Work smarter, not harder. Wealth grows faster when you implement systems and automation. High-income earners don't just rely on hard work, they rely on efficient systems that make their money and time multiply. What this looks like. Automated savings. Set up automatic transfers from checking to savings or investment accounts. Recurring investments. Use platforms that deduct and invest a fixed amount monthly. Financial dashboards. Track all income, expenses, and investments in one place. Why automation matters. Humans are inconsistent. Relying on memory or manual effort leads to missed savings, late payments, and missed opportunities. Automation ensures that every step toward wealth happens even when you're busy or traveling. Outsourcing and delegation. Outsource repetitive tasks such as bookkeeping, email management, or social media posting. Hire freelancers to help scale your side hustles or content creation. Global strategies. Use international apps like Wise, PayPal, or Revolut for global investments and transfers. Track currency fluctuations if you have income in multiple currencies. Automate cross-border investments with low-fee international platforms. Systems not only save time, they allow scalability. Imagine you're building a YouTube channel, investing regularly, and running a side business. Without systems, these efforts overwhelm you. With systems, they compound efficiently, giving you freedom and accelerated wealth growth. Number 7. Think global, act local, reach millions. If your goal is a global audience, your content and strategies must be universally applicable while still connecting with local realities. Principles like budgeting, investing, and digital income are universal, but examples and relatability matter. How to make it global. Use simple language and avoid jargon. Translate or add subtitles for major languages, Spanish, French, Hindi, Chinese. Showcase stories from multiple countries to make it relatable. Why it works. People follow solutions they understand. If your advice applies in both Ghana and the U.S., viewers worldwide will engage. For example, showing how someone saves money with a small side hustle in Accra, then comparing it to a similar strategy in New York, creates universal lessons. Adapt strategies to your audience. Investing. Explain ETFs in a globally relevant way, but note local platforms for deposits. Digital income. Recommend platforms accessible globally, like Fiverr, Shopify, Udemy, and YouTube. Budgeting. Showcase how the same 50/30/20 rule works regardless of income or currency. By combining global relevance with local examples, you build trust, increase engagement, and open doors to a worldwide audience, critical for digital assets, content monetization, and networking. Number 8. Take action now, stop waiting. The difference between those who build wealth and those who remain financially stuck is action. Knowledge alone does nothing unless implemented consistently. Start with small, measurable steps. Track your income and expenses immediately. Open a savings or investment account today. Set aside a fixed percentage of your income, even $1 counts. Identify one skill, side hustle, or content idea you can start this week. Consistency compounds like money. Small steps, repeated daily, snowball into massive results. Writing $5 daily in a blog or posting a short YouTube video once a week may seem insignificant. 2 years later, that content library can generate thousands of dollars every month. Avoid common mistakes. Waiting for perfect conditions or a big opportunity. Start with what you have. Comparing yourself to others who started with more resources. Focus on your own growth. Ignoring learning or ignoring results. Regularly measure progress and adjust. Mindset for action. Treat every effort as a seed planted. Some seeds sprout immediately, others take years, but if planted consistently, the harvest is inevitable. Embrace small failures as learning. Every mistake teaches how to improve your next move. Focus on long-term gains, not instant gratification. Wealth built over years is more stable and freeing than money earned fast but lost equally fast. Your journey to wealth begins with your first action. Today is the perfect day. The future depends on what you start now. If you want to build wealth from scratch, it starts with your mindset and your first small steps. Subscribe to this channel for more videos on saving money, investing, passive income, and financial freedom. Hit the bell icon so you never miss strategies that can change your life. Remember, wealth is not just for the lucky few. Anyone can start anywhere and build it over time. Your journey starts today. Take control of your financial future and commit to consistent action. Financial freedom is a choice, and the earlier you start, the faster you grow. Every video, every step, and every strategy you apply compounds into real wealth over time. Start building today and watch your life transform.